Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me.
What's up, YouTubers? In this video, I will make a sneak peek video with the startup and quick review of my new car, which is the 1994 Honda Accord EXi. So, without any further ado, here's the key, and let's go ahead and get started. I got the Minecraft keychain right here. First, we will go to the interior. Underneath is filthy right now. Now go to the other portion. There are many improvements of my car that I will improve in the near future. Like the door handle is cut off. Here's some other pieces right now. I can replace this one, or I can put with a glue, of course. Tire pressure. The book lyrics of Bamboo and CD. I love rock songs. Okay. And not just from the passenger seat, front passenger seat, of course, from the other back seat. Okay, let's take a ride with it happen. You know, I love this Accord better than my last car, the 323. It's more spacious, what I think. Very nice car, very luxurious. Now let's check out the boot. I can do my feet. Yeah. The kicker subwoofer right here. I'll be remove this one, transfer in my dad's car, the Suzuki Carry multicab. If you don't see my dad's car, the Suzuki Carry multicab or pickup, just click the link in the description box below. This one. And there you go. Let's check out later when the car will start up. Right, so let's go. Like, this is a very nice looking from the old Accord. I like the new ones. Nice front end compared to the Civic. I hate this satin color from the black satin. In the near future, I'll be painted a blue, gremlin blue, just like my dad's gremlin. If you don't see the video of the gremlin, just click the description box below or right there. Spark. So I'll make a update video of my dad's gremlin, the motorbike. I believe it is a 17-inch alloy wheels. Very nice spoiler. Sportier look. Now, with the moment of truth, let's take my Accord to a first startup. I love this car. I'm so excited. Again, there are a lot of improvements of my car right now with the windows, door handles, locks, overall. I remove all the stickers. Before that, if I rented the car right now, there's a lot of stickers like pretty girl rocks or a bed, but I remove it. This car comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Okay, start it up. Hold on a second. And the moment of truth. Let's start it up. Let it run. Very nice sound from Honda Accord. Oops. Now, let's turn on the aircon and the radio. Turn on the air conditioning so it won't be cold. It's very nice and cold. Let's try the speakers. Now let's try the subwoofer. Right now guys, let's turn on the hazards. Lights. Turn off the aircon. High beam. Don't forget. Automatic driver side window. Check out the engine. And check out the subwoofer of this car. This car comes with a 2.4 liter dual overhead cam, single volume line 4. This one is not working, but it's so dummy. Like just like this and this one. And a lot of improvements of these two on the rear. Only working that is the middle and the front one. Well guys, I hope that's it of my sneak peek of the new car, which is my 1994 Honda Accord EXi. As always, I'll see you next time with for more latest videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching and mabuhay!